the challenge of transforming my body in just 30 days through amazing morning yoga sessions. I have always been fascinated by the idea of starting my day with a yoga routine, not just to get my body moving, but to clear my mind and set intentions for the day. Morning yoga is an effective practice because it helps increase flexibility, balance, and strength, while also boosting energy levels and mental clarity. By incorporating yoga into my daily routine, I aim to experience those benefits firsthand and see how it could transform my body and mind. One of the biggest hurdles people face when trying to establish a morning routine is finding the motivation to get out of bed. Let's be honest, it's easy to hit the snooze button and roll over, especially when it's cold or dark outside. Another obstacle is feeling like you don't have enough time or that you are not flexible enough to do yoga. I have always been there too, struggling to get out of bed, feeling stiff and sore from a previous workout, or just plain feeling like I don't have the time. Many people are also struggling with consistency, finding it hard to stick to a routine day in and day out. For me, the journey began with setting a simple goal: commit to 30 minutes of yoga every morning for 30 days. I started with some basic poses like downward facing dog, warrior two, and free pose. I focused on proper alignment, breathing techniques, and listen to my body. As the days went by, I began to notice subtle changes in my body. My hamstrings were feeling looser, my core was engaging more easily, and my balance was improving. I practiced yoga at the same time every day, which helped regulate my body's internal clock and made it easier to wake up in the morning. I also made sure to mix my routine, time, new poses and flow to keep things interesting and prevent complaints. By the end of the 30 days, I was amazed at the transformation I had undergone. Physically, I had noticed significant improvement in my flexibility, balance, and overall strength. My body felt leaner, my posture was better, and I had more energy throughout the day. Mentally, I felt more focused, calm, and centered, able to tackle changes with greater ease and confidence. The sense of accomplishment I felt was incredible. Knowing that I had committed to something and seen real results, my mind was clear. I felt more connected to my body. Incorporating morning yoga into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your both body and mind. It's a practice that can help increase energy levels, improve flexibility and balance, and reduce stress and anxiety. By committing to just 30 minutes a day, you can experience these benefits for yourself and start your day feeling more focused, calm, and centered. If you have had any experience with yoga, good or bad, I would like to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other fitness videos for more challenges and workout and consider subscribing for new content. Thank you.